Hello students, today I am taking lecture on the subject of advanced accounting first, particularly for BCom third year, fifth semester students who are learning from Swami Ramananda Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. I am taking today topic number second, hotel accounting. This is our second topic of the subject, advanced accounting first. I am Dr. V.D. Jadhav, Assistant Professor, PG Faculty of Commerce and Management, People's College, Nanded. I am taking first basic part of the topic, introduction part. Hotel business. You know very well what is the hotel. You should also seen so many times what is hotel, which is the hotel, which contents they served. Now I am explaining hotel business accounting. It is related to hotel and restaurant. It provides a special knowledge and skills. Business of a hotel is to provide food and accommodation. Some big hotels provide other facilities like entertainment, swimming, dancing, etc. It is depend on the health club, bakery, beauty parlor, size and nature of hotel. It may be vegetarian or non-vegetarian. It also provides drinking facilities, games for children, etc. Hotel consisted different types of services, that is lunches and dinners, arrangement of bars, refreshments, etc. Principle of accounting will be same. It requires purchase and sales different items. It must be maintained in order to ascertain the correct position, which is we can say in other word will help them in maintaining accounts properly. Day-to-day transactions are recorded in a separate page with column for each visitor. Expenses related to the business like wine, minerals, groceries, cutlery, glass plates, bedding and lining, establishment, wages, salaries, furniture and fixtures, etc. Miscellaneous expenses, advertisement expenses, sales promotions, breakfast, lunch, dinner, cigarettes, carriage, telephone, etc. Advertisement, postage, insurance, interest, these are also expenses of the hotel accounting and hotels. Hotel accounting is a part of accounting in hospitality industry, corporate accounting, where a set of financial statements is used in hotel accounting after creation of various department financial reports. Then we have to prepare consolidated statement for the hotel. This is the important part of the topic, consolidated statement. Final accounts of hotel business are prepared at the end of accounting year. Generally, we are also preparing same thing, same way. Final account consisted number one, profit and loss account and balance sheet. It is just like similar as our regular final account of business or final account of sole trader. but in that there is no provision of trading account, only profit and loss account and balance sheet. Profit and loss account includes items related with hotel accounting, that is consolidated trading account and profit and loss account. It combines it. We will see how to prepare final account of hotel accounting. Today I am taking first question on the basis of hotel accounting. Question number first. This question has asked in the examination of October, November 2018. The question is, from the following info, following balances of Anand Hotel prepare final account of final account for the year ended 31st December 2016. I am increasing font size to better display. Okay. Now is it visible? Prepare two column for question particular. Next column, second column, rupees. It means amount rupees. I am increasing size of particular now. First item, authorized or issued capital, amount rupees 4,80,000. Second, land and building, amounted rupees 4,50,000. Next, furniture, furniture amount rupees 30,000. Glass and computer, next linen, linen means it is a cloth of khadi, amount rupees 3,000. Next, cutlery. Next item, cutlery and plates. Amount same, 3000. Next, rate, taxes, and insurance. Amount rupees 9000. Next item, salary of rupees 25,000. Next item, wages amounted rupees 35,000. Next item, cash at bank amounted rupees 9,000. Next item, cash in hand amounted rupees 6,600. The next item, opening stock under the heading of opening stock. First item, wine rupees 5,000. Next item, spirit. Spirit means to create more hard to liquor. Amount rupees 4,000. Next, your favorite item, beer. Next, mineral. You have listened so many times mineral water, the same word. The next, cigar, 1,200. The next item, sundry provisions. And store. Amount rupees 1,800. The next item, coal. Amount rupees 1,800. These are items comes under the opening stock. The next purchases. Under the heading of purchases, meat. Meat means non-veg, mutton. Amount rupees 9,000. Next, fish and poultry. Fish, poultry, and eggs. Amount rupees 12,000. Sundry provisions and stores. Amount rupees 18,000. Next, wine. Amount rupees 9,000. Next, spirits. Amount rupees 7,500. The next, beer. Amount rupees 4,500. The next, minerals, amount rupees 3,600. Next, cigar, amount rupees 1,800. Next, coal and gas, amount rupees 7,200. These are the items over under the heading of purchases. Next, laundry expenses, we know very well debit all expenses. It means if it goes to the profit and loss account debit side, laundry expenses 4,800. Then lighting, this is also expenses for lighting 3,600. Next, general expenses, amount of rupees 5,400. Next, sales, under the heading of sales, first item, wine, amount rupees 12,000. Next, spirit, amount rupees 7,500. Next, beer, amount rupees 9,000. Next, mineral, amount rupees 6,000. Next, cigar, amount rupees 2,100. These are the items under the heading of sales. Next, charges, in bracket income, under the heading of charges income, first item, meal, amount rupees 1,05,000. Next, rooms, amount rupees 54,000. The next item, fire in bedroom, 3,000. Next item, washing, 900. These four items comes under the head of charges. Next, heading, repairs and repairs, renewal and depreciation. under the heading of repairs, renewals and depreciation. First item, premises. $1,200. Premises is considered in asset, but above heading given repairs, renewals and depreciation. Hence, it is debit side shows to the profit and loss account because of this is the repairing of premises, repairing charges. Okay. Then furniture also repaired 1,200. Hence it also goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Glass and china, it is just like similar as china glass, 2,400. Linen, 1,800. Cutlery and plates, 900. These 5 items come under the heading of repairs, renewals and depreciation. The next heading, cash book, in bracket debit balance. Under the heading of cash book debit balance, first item, visitors, first and last item, visitor account. Here is spelling mistake. I am correcting this. Cash book debit balance means asset. It is our debtors. Visitors account is our debtors. Then next, sundry creditors. Creditors is our liability. Amount rupees, creditors amount rupees 36,000. This is the question. Now adjustment. Adjustment, closing stock. Under the heading of closing stock, first wine, amount of rupees 3,000. Beer, amounted rupees 1,500. Spirits, amount of rupees 3,000. Minerals, amount of rupees 600. Cigar, amount of rupees 900. Sundry provisions, and store, amount of rupees 3,000. Coal, amount of rupees 1,200. The question is over. What is the effect of closing stock? We know adjustment has two effects. The first effect of this adjustment, it shows to the asset side, and then second effect we generally shows to the trading account credit side. But in the hotel accounting, some changes in the formula. In that profit and loss account debit side, starting with opening the with two material used, under the material used which contains is necessary, that is opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Hence this closing stock less from the opening stock plus minus purchases, plus purchases, this then minus closing stock. Okay, it means closing stock shows to the debit side but minus from purchases. Okay, now I am taking solution. In the book of Anand Hotel, for the year ending, sorry, in the book of Anand Hotel, profit and loss account for the year ending 31st December 2016. Debit side, credit side. First item, particular, this is the inner column, this is the inner column, this one is also inner column, and this is the outer column, rupees. Sorry, next, rupees. This one is particular, this is inner column, and this is the rupees. Then I am creating a balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2016. Liabilities, rupees. Assets, inner column, rupees. in that actual notebook. There is no need to create these three inner column and this one inner column. I am explaining in that Excel. That's why I am taking the inner column. That is choice for you. First item, authorized and issued capital. We know capital has gone to the balance sheet liability side. First item, starting with capital. I am taking directly. Okay, this is easy for me. Authorized and issued capital. Amount rupees 4,80,000. Then next item, land and building. Land and building, furniture, linen, glass and computer, linen, cutlery plates. These are the items of assets. That's why I am taking all these items, land and building, furniture, glass and computer, linen, cutlery and plates to the asset side. Land and building, furniture, glass and computer, linen, cutlery and plates goes to the balance sheet asset side. Amount also I am taking outer column. Land and building 4,50,000, furniture 30,000, glass and computer 6,000, linen 3,000, cutlery and plates 3,000. Then question, rate, taxes and insurance goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Correct. And salary also goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Hence both I am taking combinedly, salary and wages. Next item, wages also goes to the profit and loss account debit side because of there is no separate provision for trading account. Then rates, taxes and insurance, salary and wages. I have taken this item, profit and loss account debit side. Amount 9,000, 25,000, 30,000. I have taken outer column. The next part of the question, up from authorized capital to up to the wages. I have taken the next part, cash at bank and cash in hand. These are the items of balance sheet asset side. Hence I am taking asset side. Cash at bank, cash in hand. Amounted rupees 9,000, 6,000 respectively. Taking in outer column. The next part of the question, opening stock. Opening stock goes to the profit and loss account debit side. under the heading of opening stock, wines, spirits, beers, mineral, cigar, sundry provision and stores, coals. Also, amount has also given. Opening stock goes to the debit side of the profit and loss account. To opening stock, under the heading of opening stock, wine 5,000, spirits 4,000, beer 5,000, minerals 4,000, cigar 1,200, sundry provision and store 1,800, coal 1,800. Here heading is according to format of the hotel accounting. To material used, this is the actual heading starting. To material used, under the heading of material used, what is the formula of material used? What is the formula? Opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. This is the formula of material used. Out of this opening stock, I have taken wine, spirits, beer, mineral, cigar, and the provision and store, coal. These are the amount of opening stock. Okay, opening stock is covered. The next, purchases. Under the heading of purchases, meat. Then find out meat is given or not. Meat is not given in opening stock, hence it should be recorded separately. Purchases of meat, write down in outer column 9,000. This is the amount of meat. Then fish, poultry and egg has also not given in opening stock, hence it should be recorded separately. Two, purchases of fish and poultry, amount of is 12,000, outer column. This one is also same. Two purchases then sundry provision and store, amount of is 18,000. In that opening stock, sundry provisions and stores has given, then formula opening stock plus purchases, hence add to the sundry provisions and store 1,800 plus 18,000. Then next, wine. Wine has also given in opening stock. Hence, add wine in wine opening stock. Wine 5,000 original. Then purchases 9,000. Then spirits. Spirits also given in opening stock. Add in opening stock spirits 7,500. Then beer. Beer also given in opening stock. Then add beer in beer opening stock in beer 4,500. Add purchases. Then mineral 3,600 purchases. Add in opening stock of mineral 4,000 plus 3,600. Then cigar. Cigar has also given opening stock 1,800. 1,800. Then coal and gas has given in opening stock. Add in that 7,200. This column is opening stock. This column is purchases. For your better information purpose, I am writing here in shortcut opening stock. This is purchases. Okay. Now you can understand easily. Then next, laundry expenses, debit all expenses. This is the rule. 2 laundry expenses. Amount rupees 4,800 outer column. Then next question part, lighting. 2 lighting. Amount rupees 3,600. Then 2 general expenses. In that question, general expenses given amount rupees 5,400 outer column. Then sales. What is the amount of sales? Sorry, sales under the heading of sales. Wine, spirits, beer, mineral, cigar. This item given. Hence, I am taking directly to the profit and loss account credit side. I think this item is there is no need. Hence, I am deleting. Once again, there is need to copy sales. Credit side. By sales. Profit and loss account credit side by sales under the heading of sales. Wines 12,000, spirits 7,500, beer 9,000, mineral 6,000, cigar 2,100. Then what is the next? Charges. Charges is the or income. It shows to the profit and loss account credit side. Copy all. I am copying this all charges to the credit side by charges income. Under the heading of charges income, meal 1,05,000, rooms 54,000, fire in bedroom 3,000, washing 900. The next part of the question, repairs, renewals and depreciation. This goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Amount should be on the debit side, outer column. Repair to repairs, renewals and depreciation. The next part of the question, cash book debit balance. Debit balance is all debtors. Who is debtor here? Visitors account. Taking this directly to the asset side, balance sheet asset side. I think this one is column extra taken. There is no need. Visitors account amount rupees 18,000 goes to the asset side. Visitors account 18,000. The next item of the question, sundry creditors. Sundry creditors always shows to the balance sheet liability side. Sundry creditors account 36,000. But now question is over, but adjustment is remain. Adjustment. There is only one adjustment, closing stock. Closing stock has two effects. First effect, asset side. Under the heading of closing stock, wine 3,000, beer 1,500, spirit 3,000, mineral 600, cigar 900, sundry provision and stores 3,000, coal 1,200. Then second effect, minus from the material used to the profit and loss account debit side. This is the third column for closing stock. If wine has given, yes, wine given amount rupees 3,000 less from material used wine, yes. Then next, beer 1,500 less from beer. Then spirit 3,000 less from spirit 3000, then minerals 600, less from minerals, then cigar 900, less from cigar, then sundry provision 3000 and coal 1200, less from respective item, sundry provision and coal, correct. Opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Then outer column, wine amount rupees 11,000, spirit amount rupees 8,500, beer amount rupees 8,000, then mineral amount rupees 7,000, then cigar amount rupees 2,100, then sundry provision and stores amount rupees 21,000, then coal amount rupees 7,800. Material closing stock. Then this is the final amount. Now close the profit and loss account. I think all items I have covered. Creating total of the credit side. Total is 1,99,500. Then I am creating debit side total. $1,76,700. As per accounting rules, both sides should be necessary to the same. Then credit side is more than debit side. Hence, from 1,99,500 minus 1,76,700, the balance is 22,800. Now both sides are valid. It means this is the profit to net profit. Carried down. Amounted rupees 22,000. Sorry, already amount to be covered. Net profit transfer to the balance sheet liability side. Amount rupees 22,800. Then create total of liability side and asset side. Both are equal to 5,38,800. It means balance sheet is tallied. Question is over. is the final solution. Okay, thank you.